You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I think.
Hello mga ka-travel, tara at samahan niyo kami mamasyal at magpalamig sa Baguio City. At dahil sa sobrang init ng panahon mga ka-travel, napasya kami ni Jowa na mamasyal na lang ng Baguio City. So mga ka-travel, diretso na tayo sa video. Let's go mga ka-travel!
I'll be your guide whenever you need.
After po ng check-in namin sa hotel, ang una naming pinuntahan ay ang Burnham Park. Boat ride muna kami ni Jowa dito sa Burnham Park. Then, after ay sasamahan ko naman si Jowa kung saan niya gustong pumunta.
I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long.
After namin magbangka ni Jowa ay bumalik muna kami sa hotel para makapagpalit ng damit at para maipasyal ko na din si Jowa kung saan ako nagtrabaho noon, at doon na din kami kakain ng para sa hapon. At habang inaantay namin ni Joe ang aming in-order na pagkain ay sinamantala ko namang magpapicture sa aming napakabait na boss na may-ari ng Le Chef at pati na din sa aking mga dating mga katrabaho sa Le Chef. Guys, you know what? During my time working at the Manor, I really enjoy, I really like, and I really love the work that I'm doing mga ka-travel.
I'd be lost if not for you, and I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no.
At dito nagtatapos ang video ito mga ka-travel. See you on my next video. God bless everyone. Ciao!